In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable comments on your Squarespace blog by adjusting a few settings. This will enhance engagement with your audience and foster a more interactive community on your website. So let's dive right in. First things first, you need to head over to your Squarespace account. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Squarespace website. Once you're there, use your account credentials to log in. If you don't already have a Squarespace account, you'll need to create one to proceed with this tutorial. After logging in, you're greeted with a dashboard that displays your active Squarespace websites. Select the one where you want to enable comments on your blog. With your website open, direct your attention to the sidebar on the left-hand side of the screen. This is your main navigation panel where you can find various options to manage your site. Here, look for the Settings option. It's usually towards the lower section of the sidebar. Click on it to reveal a list of settings. Under the Settings menu, scroll down until you spot Blog Preferences. Clicking on this will open up another set of options tailored to blog management. This is where you have the power to determine how your blog interacts with your audience. The next step involves finding the Comments settings. This is your gateway to enabling and managing how comments appear on your blog posts. Once in the comment settings, you're presented with several options. Begin by enabling comments if they aren't already. This simple toggle will activate the comment feature on your blog. Further down, you'll see options to control who can leave comments. You might want to keep comments open to everyone, or perhaps limit them to logged-in users to prevent spam. Adjust these preferences depending on your comfort level and the kind of interaction you wish to cultivate. Another essential aspect of comment settings is choosing how they're displayed. You can opt for threaded comments, which allow replies to individual comments and create organized conversations. This can be particularly helpful for fostering in-depth discussions and ensuring your readers can easily follow the flow of conversation. Remember, every tweak you make in the settings page is crucial for enhancing user interaction, so think about what will best suit your community. Once you're satisfied with your choices, it's vital to save these settings. You'll find the Save button in the upper right corner of the page. Click it to ensure all your adjustments are successfully applied. And there you have it. Enabling comments on your Squarespace blog is as straightforward as that. By following these steps, you have taken a significant step towards making your blog more interactive and inviting for your readers. Thank you for watching, and now go ahead and enjoy those conversations with your newfound online community.